Hello everyone, in this video we'll walk you through how to install and set up your Elastic email action automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on install, click on allow and install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you're going to have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a SmartQ video that's going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. At the level of the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup, head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down and click on Settings. On the Settings page, you're going to click on Manage API Keys. You're going to click on Create. Enter your API key name. And then if you wish, you can actually toggle on the expiration date button. You can toggle it on and choose your date. Then you're going to give access. You're going to choose permission access, so we're choosing full access. Once you're done, scroll up and on create. As you can see, our API key has been created. So you're going to copy your API key and head over back to your account, and you're going to paste your API key. Once you're done, click on complete setup. As you can see, our app has been successfully connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of the app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. I hope this video helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.